Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Sarumbai bringing to you the news and events from Megalia. Here are the headlines for today. DSO and DC of Ribhoi to organize a 7-kilometer Megalia Day Run. ECI announces elections in Meghalaya, Nagaland and Tripura. UDP requires only 9 more MLAs to form the government, says PT Saukume. And choose the 2 flowers to remove proxy BJP government, says Mamata Banerjee in North Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. As part of celebrating Megalia Day, the District Sports Officer, Ribhoi District, with the collaboration of the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, will organize a marathon of 7 kilometers known as Megalia Day Run on the 21st of January, which will start from Dulongnar to the indoor stadium Umlingkadai. Distribution of prizes will also take place for the winners, both men and women, along with a special prize for the senior most participants. On the part of the DSO of Nongpo, he invited everyone who are interested to participate in the marathon and receive prizes by submitting their names to the office of the DSO in Nongpo from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Ngai kublai snamtmai usuk ifibaro nga nakalyang jonga District Sports Office Nongpo nga pentip sa fibaro kipat nong song jonga time Ribhoi kamtam yapi kiba 8 yaga sport kandon ka jingmore marathon kata ngikot ka Megalia Day Run haka arpoi tarik menta ubnai klalengkot kaban sedang haka por review step na dulang nor lebai market terter hado indoor stadium Umlingkadai kandon ru jing ai kusnam yakinong job kentai bachenrang berkumjuru ya urangba badlong keme kiba he do hakarta kino kiba kwa ban shimbenta kila ban one register yaki keteng jongki haka office jong DSO nadu kapor phok waje minstep hado saw waje janmet Shuai ka arpol tarik mentau benai. Tangini kintin kubleshibon and all the best.
The Election Commission of India ECI announced the dates for the 2023 elections in Meghalaya, Tripura and Nagaland on the 18th of January. Meghalaya and Nagaland shares the same dates, however, Tripura differs. For Meghalaya and Nagaland, the date fixed is just one day, that is on the 27th of February 2023, whereas for Tripura, the date fixed is on the 16th of February 2023, and all the 3 states will witness the counting of votes on the 2nd of March 2023. For Meghalaya, the important dates for the elections 2023 is stated below. Date of issue of Gazette notification will be on the 31st of January 2023. Last date of making nominations will be on the 7th of February 2023. Dates for scrutiny of nominations will be on the 8th of February 2023. Last date for withdrawal of candidates will be on the 10th of February 2023. Date of counting will be on the 2nd of March 2023. Date before which election shall be completed will be on the 4th of March 2023. On the 18th of January, about 5 MLAs submitted their resignation letter to the working office of the Speaker of the Assembly, Medbalingdo. The concerned MLAs includes PT Saukume, who is the MLA of Maulai constituency, Meril Bons Aim, MLA of Nongpo constituency, Shillong Pale, MLA of Sutanga, Renikton Tongkhar, MLA of Maukerwat constituency, and Lambor Malngyang, MLA of Nongkram constituency. The 5 MLAs are sure to merge with UDP. When asked the reason behind their decision, PT Saukume exclaimed that a regional party should get the platform to form the government in this term, and UDP requires only 9 more MLAs to be able to form the government.
Matakasing nakaliang jung isangot ki MLA ngila bu ya kasi resign. So speaker kalong naka party ke pangili. Teka buat matakasing la resign. Pat matakasing hi nakaliang jung kalong ba ni serung lo amata syaka United Democratic Party. Dengan skam nakaliang jong ka jingrung ko jongi mata syaka UDP. Skam kanang ay kalong Pasal isu mata kalau yang ke parti UDP, mata ke belum mata UDP ke don new, panisan kalau kat dengan skam nak lihat jengi kalau bah interest tamu dia kendai kalau like way. They commit UDP will lead the government in this year, 2023, after the declaration of the dissolve.
50,000 to 55,000 supporters gathered at the Dilma Apal playground in Mendipathar on the 18th of January to greet All India Trinamool Congress chairperson Mamata Banerjee ahead of her public meeting in the North Garo Hills district. Mamata Banerjee raised loaded questions like, what has this government done in the past 5 years? Highlighting the dedication of Megalia TMC towards the state, she urged people to empower the people, uphold the culture, celebrate the sacred land of Megalia and remove the proxy BJP government. Megalia TMC State President Charles Pingrobe said that the people of Megalia are aspiring for the new leadership that will bring back the lost glory of the state. Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma highlighted the atrocities of the MDA government and their failures in protecting the people of Megalia. This massive rally from Mamata Banerjee gave confidence to the people who will choose their government wisely for this term.
My back is operated, my belly is operated, my full body is choked, but I never bow down my life to any this type of naughty people or the dirty people. I love politics because politics is not my profession. It is my passion. I thought that I should serve the people through political platform. Nowadays, if there is any fire, we help from the government. If there is any accident, we give help from the government. If there is any death, we give the money to the family. Even you will be happy to know my mother's sisters, the women folks and the brothers, all even farmers. We give all the farmers 10,000 rupees every year, just free. We give free ration to all the people. It is not only few people. Out of 10 crore people, 9.5 crore people are getting free ration.
People's Democratic Front PDF announced 8 candidates who will contest in the coming 2023 elections. The concerned candidates includes Gavin Millam, MLA President from Sora, Bantedor Lingdo, MLA from Maukenro, Auspicious Lingdo from Mauplang, Shembok Garrett from Raliang, Roswell Shadap from Mauhati, Romeo Pirarani from East Shillong, Laitum Kra, Ejinstar Kurkalang from Nongkrem and Don Boklang Soklat from Umsning constituency. On this day, 2 MLAs, Gavin Millam and Bantedor Lingdo, were venerated who stuck through with the party no matter the inconveniences or temptations that come their way.
Ini candidate ki jomi ki badon haulai jong ke Jinkerman. Haga Jinkerman bagi dia pengkait usul jong. Nangin sekarang lingba kani ke jalan ke pemerintah kesini ngin sayo benerai kubur. Syaki Shillong ki tahu ki jomi, syaki konstituensi ki popular ki jomi. Bagi dia tu bakungno kani ke Jinkerman. Bakungno bagi lapan benai ki candidate ki jomi. Kani ke deka sin kanong no bagi yo benito officially ke beningkau. Bagi ni ia ke second list bagi sepenuh biang. Nama kadon ke Jingong, kadon ke Jingkeren. Ba kapidih kan nongod kan saya kandidat. Nasyong tang kawai. Kabau khasi jong Ukraine ni katir. Kadanglah kabau penkun suki ya pun suki dia ajuan. Dan yang lain. Ni kom ke parti ni long kom ka. Imdai ki parti kiba shu yaya asonya. Bandia perkhat nak benta kata jing ya risa kaba ithamla dutata ban syere tamasa handre ke parti ke badan hakan norem ke pasal dena tarana ngiya hagal lenti ke bajajai bat ke lenti ke badai bakundo ban ai ke jing syakri ke pasai bat ke bakhur si pai ba no shong shino habo ke jela ke jongi.
The Chief Electoral Officer Frederick R. Kharkongor IAS informed to the media persons on the 18th of January that the Election Code of Conduct will have effect 72 hours after the elections in the state. He mentioned various bits and parts of the rules that will command the candidates, political parties, office bearers and the supporters.
There have been a lot of questions and some confusion as to from which date the Model Code of Conduct will be enforced. Because the date of notification is January 31st. But as per the rules of the ECI, in terms of the Model Code of Conduct, it will kick in right from the date of announcement. So immediately after the date of once the elections have been duly announced by the Election Commission in New Delhi, the provisions of the Model Code of Conduct will kick in specifically. In what manner it is going to be enforced, I will share with you. So there are different timelines. One standard guideline is that the Model Code of Conduct will be taken to 472 hours during the first 72 hours of the announcement of the election schedule, for ensuring that there is extra vigilance and strict enforcement right up to the close of polls. Now, in what way, in what manner this MCC will operate? Number one is on defacement of property. So, as per the instructions of the Commission, there are three types of there are three different categories in terms of the defacement of property. One is defacement of government property. So this, the district election officers will have to immediately ensure that they shall be removed within 24 hours from the announcement of the elections, and we're having a video conference with all the DCs also tomorrow, and we will be sharing with them these provisions. Then also the defacement of public property and misuse of public space, this has to be removed within 48 hours, and defacement of private property, this shall be removed within 72 hours. So there are different timelines for the MCC to be complied with by the district authority. Just to clear the confusion, because maybe it may be thinking that everything should be done within 24 hours, but there are a different set of timelines for each different category.
Magdalene S. Maulong, NPP candidate from Nongpok constituency on the 18th of January, continued her development work in Purangang, Marngar. The development works includes the construction of the cremation chambers or eco-friendly crematorium of the Saukur Cremation Committee, which includes the clan Binong, Damlong, Mahjong and Pamba, with the estimated of 42.82 lakh rupees, and distribution of drawers, closet and chairs to Purangang and Marngar Sports Association.
Kablakan oi thia eki ki bun snem Henry ngasudap daga jingkemen ka bakraw ya ka ba ngayo banwan yuk jat hakat juk por banwan ra ya kani ka work order na ka bentah ka eco friendly crematorium kumbang itip ngidon la kinyam kiten rai ki paper ngidon la kanyam karukom ngidon la karukom sut rukom shor kamu kadam ka kanya ka kriam Tenre ngi snow don bot bangi yo kinong yalam ki jongi hangtay ki bamdon ka kantin Kendiat ngakwa ban pasyat jingmut shapi haki benai ki baladep lingba ka jingwan kendu jong iba Robertus mahajong bat katim namshim la kalet ki por ngidang itu tang ngi pade itu bha kelong tang iwat isin baar balai yo banyak kendu ilapen snow ka jing bat kumta nakaliang ka jonga namshim la syong thai Ngalafon yu DFO, ngalafon ru yu Minister in charge of the forest. Usa James Kesang ma ya kabangi yo ban pensngo ya kan gajing para kajuk karukom nga ay kaburom ru I para jonga iba Jason S Molong. Ya kabangi la yo ban yamir jingmut. Ngiyo pat banyak ren nakapor sikapor. Na kabanta kani kakam na marhang tay ha umsning ru ngilayo ka sanction order. Na kabenta ko umsning bat kanong po kalong prapusan lak apusan hajar news pa kanday puar ngasgo ban ong yepi kaburom ya ublay ya kabau penla pat yang akum kalong kemi balik tiet jingkang Ngatrai chief minister te habau yo I ye kilong kapa dong to ap shi ap handai kilong kemitu thaj banya bunia mo. Season let season ongsa kane kade ka ka ba ngila ang nuat naslam. Kadai ka parti ka bahikai yang iban buram. Yiki beret pat bat iki bahaya pat. Ka parti ban shim salon sarlang ye ka jing it mar kaliang ban buram mar kaliang. Ka kenting em ka bangdon hak shimtur ka jongki. Ngidon kam de kisur ngimdon kam de kisur ki bajam. Hande ngidon kam de ki ki ban kedan kam jam ki baro.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.